Local SEO isn't a set-it-and-forget-it game. It's about continuous improvement. But here's the key question. How do you actually know if your geo content is performing? That's where geo-specific performance tracking comes in. In this topic, I'll show you how to measure, monitor, and optimize your local SEO results using AI-powered tools. What is geo-specific performance tracking? Geo-specific performance tracking means focusing not on your entire website, but on specific local results. It's about measuring things like GEO Keyword Rankings, how your keywords perform in local searches, local search visibility, your presence in Google's local pack and SG, user engagement metrics, clicks, dwell time, bounce rate, and local conversion metrics, calls, bookings, and leads from local traffic. Why does this matter? Because you'll see which neighborhoods or areas bring you the most traffic. You'll spot local keywords where you're underperforming. And you'll adjust your content using real data, not guesswork. Example: if you run a local spa in Miami, instead of just tracking overall traffic, you can see exactly how you rank for best spa in Miami Beach, how many people click your Google business profile, which neighborhoods bring the most visitors, and how many appointments get booked straight from local search. The key metrics you need to track. There are 5 geo performance metrics you need to focus on. 1. GEO Keyword Rankings. This is your visibility in specific locations. Use tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, or GeoRanker, and track phrases such as yoga classes in downtown San Diego or hot yoga in Pacific Beach. 2. Local pack visibility. That's the map with the 3 local results at the top. Use Bright Local or GeoRanker and measure how often you appear in those top 3 spots. 3. GEO Click-Through Rate. Look in Google's Search Console and see which local keywords get a lot of impressions but very few clicks. If your top yoga studios in Miami page has low CTR, test a new title like Best Yoga Studios in Miami, Top-Rated Classes. 4. GEO Traffic Distribution. Google Analytics will show which cities or neighborhoods drive the most traffic. For a spa in Miami, it could be downtown Miami, South Beach, or Wynwood. 5. Local conversion tracking. This is where it gets real. Set up tracking for local bookings, calls, or book now button clicks. Your Google business profile also gives you insights on how many people called, clicked, or asked for directions. How to set up geo-specific tracking. Here's a 5-step process you can follow. Step 1. Set up geo rank tracking. Use SEMrush, Ahrefs, or GeoRanker. Track each keyword for the city or neighborhood you're targeting. Step 2. Monitor local pack performance. Track how often you appear in the map pack and how many clicks your Google business profile gets. Step 3. Set up Geo Analytics tracking. In Google Analytics, create a custom report filtered by city or region. This way, you'll see exactly how local users behave on your site. Step 4. Track local conversions. Calls, bookings, form fills, anything that shows ROI from your local SEO efforts. Step 5. Regularly analyze and optimize. Check rankings weekly. Update underperforming pages. And use A/B tests to refine your titles, descriptions, and CTAs. Advanced tips for geo performance tracking. Want to go further? Use AI to predict future geo keyword trends. Track your competitors' geo performance so you can benchmark against them. And set up automated alerts, so you know right away if traffic spikes or rankings drop in a local area. Practical example. Imagine you run a restaurant in Miami. You track geo keywords like best restaurants in Miami Beach. You measure local pack visibility for top brunch in Wynwood. In Analytics, you filter Miami neighborhoods to see which ones bring the most diners. And in your Google business profile, You monitor calls and bookings to know which actions local users take most. That way, you always know if your local SEO strategy is working and exactly where to improve it. Takeaways and next steps. Here's your big takeaway. Geo-specific performance tracking is about measuring, analyzing, and optimizing your local SEO strategy for maximum results. By continuously tracking your GEO keywords, your local pack visibility, and your local user behavior, you'll make sure your content is always performing at its best.